A blessed day, dear learners. Prepare yourselves for an enriching voyage into the world of knowledge and enjoyment with today's video. We are delving into the captivating subject of an in-depth overview of the Philippine correctional system, agencies, mandates, and principles. Please keep your well-being in mind, and may you always be blessed. You've entered the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. Welcome aboard.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What is the primary mandate of the Bureau of Corrections in the Philippines? A. Law enforcement. B. Rehabilitation of national prisoners. C. Social welfare programs. D. Crime prevention. Which department oversees the Bureau of Corrections in the Philippines? A. Department of Social Welfare and Development. B. Department of the Interior and Local Government. C. Department of Justice. D. Department of Corrections. Where is the central office of the Bureau of Corrections located? A. Mandaluyong City. B. Puerto Princesa City. C. Muntinlupa City. D. Davao del Norte. What is the Bureau of Corrections slogan? A. Upholding justice. B. Bringing back the dignity of man. C. Rehabilitation for all. D. Secure custody, secure future. How many operating institutions are under the Bureau of Corrections? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
The correctional system in the Philippines is composed of 6 agencies under 3 distinct and separate departments of the national government. The three departments of the national government are the following. Ang correctional system sa Pilipinas ay binubuo ng 6 na ahensya sa ilalim ng 3 magkahiwalay at magkahiwalay na departamento ng pambansang pamahalaan. Ang 3 departamento ng pambansang pamahalaan ay ang mga sumusunod. The Department of Justice. Ang Kagawaran ng Hustisya. The Department of the Interior and Local Government. Ang Kagawaran ng Panloob at Lokal na Pamahalaan. The Department of Social Welfare and Development. Ang Department of Social Welfare and Development. Bureau of Corrections. It is an agency under the Department of Justice mandated to carry out institutional rehabilitation programs of the government for national offenders, those sentenced to more than 3 years, and to ensure their safe custody. It is composed of 7 operating institutions located all over the country to accept national prisoners. The central office is located in the New Bilibid Prison, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila, where the director, the assistant director, and the general administration staff hold official functions. Bureau of Corrections. Ito ay isang ahensya sa ilalim ng Kagawaran ng Hustisya na nag-uutos na magsagawa ng mga programa sa rehabilitasyon ng institusyonal ng pamahalaan para sa mga pambansang nagkasala, ang mga nasentensyahan ng higit sa 3 taon, at upang matiyak ang kanilang ligtas na kustodiya. Binubuo ito ng 7 operating institusyon na matatagpuan sa buong bansa upang tanggapin ang mga pambansang bilanggo. Ang central office ay matatagpuan sa New Bilibid Prison, Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila, kung saan ang direktor, ang assistant director, at ang general administration staff ay may mga opisyal na tungkulin. Bureau of Corrections mandate the rehabilitation of national prisoners. Mandate ng Bureau of Corrections ang rehabilitasyon ng mga pambansang bilanggo. Bureau of Corrections slogan Bringing Back the Dignity of Man. Bureau of Corrections slogan Pagbabalik ng dignidad ng tao. Bureau of Corrections principles accomplishing its mandated objectives and performing its assigned functions. Mga prinsipyo ng koanihan ng pagwawasto pagtupad sa mga iniuutos nitong layunin at pagsasagawa ng mga itinalagang tungkulin nito. To confine prisoners by giving them adequate living spaces as the first conditions to be met before any effective rehabilitation programs can be undertaken. Upang ikulong ang mga bilanggo sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay sa kanila ng sapat na mga tirahan bilang mga unang kondisyon na dapat matugunan bago maisagawa ang anumang epektibong programa sa rehabilitasyon. To prevent prisoners from committing crimes while in custody. Upang maiwasan ang mga bilanggo na gumawa ng mga krimen habang nasa kustodiya. To provide humane treatment by affording them human basic needs in the prison environment and prohibiting cruel methods and providing a variety of rehabilitation programs. Upang magbigay ng makataong pagtrato sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay sa kanila ng mga pangunahing pangangailangan ng tao sa kapaligiran ng bilangguan at pagbabawal sa malupit na pamamaraan at pagbibigay ng iba't ibang mga programa sa rehabilitasyon. Bureau of Corrections Operating Institutions. New Bilibid Prisons, Muntinlupa City. Correctional Institution for Women, Mandaluyong City. Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm, Puerto Princesa City. Davao Prison and Penal Farm, Davao del Norte. Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm, Occidental Mindoro. San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm, Zamboanga City.
Which institution is located in Mandaluyong City? A. New Bilibid Prisons. B. Correctional Institution for Women. C. Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm. D. Sablayan Prison and Penal Farm. What is the principle of the Bureau of Corrections related to living spaces for prisoners? A. Rehabilitation before confinement. B. Providing humane treatment. C. Crime prevention through space allocation. D. Confinement before rehabilitation. Which city hosts the Awahig Prison and Penal Farm? A. Puerto Princesa City. B. Muntinlupa City. C. Davao del Norte. D. Zamboanga City. What is the primary focus of the Bureau of Corrections principles? A. Achieving personal goals of prisoners. B. Accomplishing mandated objectives. C. Strict punishment for prisoners. D. Preventing escapes from prisons. What type of offenders are accepted in institutions under the Bureau of Corrections? A. Local offenders. B. International offenders. C. National offenders. D. Juvenile offenders. In which city is the San Ramon Prison and Penal Farm located? A. Puerto Princesa City. B. Muntinlupa City. C. Davao del Norte. D. Zamboanga City. What is the purpose of providing humane treatment in the prison environment according to the Bureau of Corrections? A. Improving public perception. B. Enhancing rehabilitation programs. C. Reducing prison costs. D. Meeting basic human needs. How many departments of the national government oversee the correctional system in the Philippines? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. What is the primary objective of the Department of Social Welfare and Development in the correctional system? A. Law enforcement. B. Rehabilitation of national prisoners. C. Social welfare programs. D. Crime prevention. According to the principles of the Bureau of Corrections, what is prohibited in the prison environment? A. Rehabilitation programs. B. Cruel methods. C. Humane treatment. Deconfinement. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.